I have a shop about to be opened, and from my experience of having one prior shop, I want to explore paying for some review seeders so that my shop would have some sort of social proofing, not start from zero. Okay, so they're basically inquiring whether there are any platforms or service providers available where you can seed reviews for TikTok shop. Is TikTok so strict that it is impossible to do? They're also asking whether TikTok is so strict that it's impossible to do. I do plan to ask UGC creators that I work with to make a purchase and leave a review, but I don't have a lot of creators in the beginning. Okay, so firstly, like any other marketplace, it is against TikTok Shop's terms of service to seed fake reviews. I personally haven't seen a case within my network of a brand getting a violation or anything because of these reviews, but that could be because they're being careful with it. Secondly, there are platforms where you can get review services from. Sellico is one of them. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to check them out. But essentially, what Sellico does is that they have a network of shoppers who go ahead and purchase your product from TikTok Shop through an affiliate video or not. You can decide that, and then the shoppers are reimbursed. Sellico claims that they don't prompt the customers to leave a review, but around 50% of the shoppers do end up leaving a review. And to be compliant with the TikTok Shop policies, the reviews mention that the product was provided to them at no cost. Now, there are other platforms similar to Sellico which guarantee reviews, and the review does not mention that the product was provided for free, but obviously they're a bit more risky. So my advice would be to get the first 5 to 10 reviews from friends and family, and those initial reviews are more than enough to get you started. Once you get some orders, run a Sellico campaign to get around 10 to 20 more reviews, and then focus on building a post-purchase sequence to get reviews from actual customers.